Well, welcome to Vintage Farmhouse on YouTube, and we're going to show you this rather fantastic but repaired. Has got some condition notes on this one, otherwise it would be worth a small fortune. This is a Spode Regency period Felspar China teapot in a very fantastic and beautiful design. Let's just show you over this one because, as I said, we have got some good condition notes on this, and the first one we're going to start with is the lid. As you can see, a crack running through the top. It's been beautifully repaired though, hasn't it? Look at that. Antique period stapling. This involves taking a very expensive and valued pieces of furniture, china, to a repairer, where they've drilled holes, put these hot staples in, which then hold it together while they apply glue along the line, and that gives you a near invisible mend on the outer side, but obviously that has now become filled with a little bit of dirt over the period. Probably repaired sometime in the 19th century, this, and you can just see why they bothered doing it. Just look at the beautiful cherry detailing on that handle with the gilt, and then this cobalt blue decoration with the hand applied gilt floral or leaf wands or garlands around it. It's a very naive design, this, when you actually look at it. Felspar China's got this lovely gritty feel to it, quite uneven in its moulding. You've got to remember this is dating from early part of the 19th century, 1815 to 1830. Beautiful. This actually fits the little sugar caddy as well, but that has lost its lid completely. The teapot itself, beautiful square box design, squat feature, beautifully decorated, handle in fantastic condition. Just look at that retaining tea leaf guard across there, beautifully clean, but again this has got a repair on it which you have to be aware of. Again, a glued crack right the way around here, extending up along the spout, so this element of the spout at some time has come away from the teapot or been knocked off, and it has been repaired. For that reason we would, I mean, it's not visible from the inside because this is all a separate piece of china that's been attached to it, but recommend that this teapot really is only for display purposes rather than use, because we don't know the integrity or the nature of the glue that was used to put this back together. It will likely be watertight, but I wouldn't wish to try it in case it does come apart, basically. Other than that, it's in fantastic condition. I know that really does have an impact on its value, and it does do, and that's reflected in the price that we're asking for this. The little plate that it sits on the stand, again, beautiful piece of absolutely typical Spode, right for the date, beautifully marked. Comb base, absolutely right for the dates. Spode Felspar Porcelain china with this floral garland and thistle mark on it. Gorgeous, lovely little thing in its own right. That's got a value probably in excess of what we're asking for the whole set, and that's in perfect condition. The teapot is just a thing of absolute beauty though. Put it on display like that and you won't see the crack. What a gorgeous teapot. Regency period, Spode Felspar, in condition noted and run through on the video. At the bargain price of what we're asking, if this was in really good fine condition, 2024, you would be looking at between 375 425 as a reasonable price for a piece of Regency Felspar china of this quality. It's not that price due to the repairs on it, which are antique in their own nature and really don't detract from the beauty of the thing, but certainly reduce its practical usage. Do click through on the product description link in YouTube. It will take you through to our Felspar Spode range. We've got some fantastic mint condition, museum quality English trios and duos in this design available, and it's a fantastic piece of English porcelain history. Thanks for watching.